Hey guys, gonna do a very quick unboxing of this set right here. Now around the box, I'm gonna show you everything around the box, just in case you guys are looking for any additional information. But I can tell you, there isn't much. So let's just get started. Now the cups. The cups was one of the things that I was worried about. And luckily, inside, it's all stainless steel. I was worried that there might be some plastic in here instead of stainless steel, but luckily it's all stainless steel, so you guys can rest assured. The top itself looks pretty sealed, so I can see this being pretty good. Everything looks pretty steady, looks like good material. Now the reason I didn't want personally to have any plastic inside my cup is because obviously plastic's bad for you. So you don't want anything hot with plastic, it's just not a good mix. Plus, when you're going camping, you may want to not have that much plastic with you. Anyways, right now, yeah, everything looks good. So this is the set that you guys get. Now these are the plates that you also get with this. They're not too deep, but they're deep enough for soup or cereal. Small portion. Yeah, a fairly good, this is good. A good size. Especially if you're camping, you don't want something huge. So we do have 4 of these guys that came with this. And we got another set of plates. Now these are actual plates you can eat from. They look pretty good. No complaints there. They feel okay. Yeah, they don't look weak. They don't feel weak. They're fine. That's how it looks on the bottom. So you do get 4 of these plates as well, plus these utensils right here. So I'm gonna take them out right now. Not loving the fact that everything's covered with so much plastic. And a lot of this plastic not even recyclable, but okay. Now here are the forks and everything. This looks pretty sturdy. Yeah, this can cut stuff. As long as it doesn't bend too much when I do this, I'm okay with that. Comes to the fork. Fork is better. Yep, and it's squared right here. That could be good and bad. Spoon, yeah. It actually feels okay, guys. I can't really bend this. And on the bottom here, I can see I can take this out just by doing that. And I can flip these guys out of here. I'm gonna leave them in there for now. Now we do get 4 of these. And here they are. So right now you're viewing everything you guys get with this package. So this is actually a pretty good package for camping. It's good to get you started. You do have 4 of everything. So that's perfect, and it's stainless steel all the way around. Like I mentioned before, I will be doing a review on this to tell you if it lasted. I am assuming it will last. Everything seems pretty good, pretty sturdy. I can't really bend none of this, so that's good. I never had really high hopes for these guys, but they are better than what I thought initially. Anyways, that would be it for this unboxing. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. And don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.